You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this river located in Idaho, and we'll be looking at how to say more names of famous places in the US. Pend Oreille is how it's said in the US. It comes from French Pend Oreille. Pend Oreille is how you'd say it in French, but in English, Pend Oreille River. Pend Oreille. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.